anyone can do what you do. I caught a body, but you was the shooter. Damn. Shot me down one time. Now you wanna hug me down long time. Funny how the love can change sometimes. So we say,
Galopin is ready to go, as well as Wendy. Peter had invited us to his boat, and in the street, a band was loudly playing Brazilian music. And music, well, it has a way of taking over Wendy.
we can take a trip, just you and I. You got me. Oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my, oh my.
Peter got his car fixed. Remember a few episodes past?
This was the
No,
side.
but this was black.
Well, look at his car now.
$250. I mean, you couldn't get that in 4 days. Couldn't get that in Canada to save your life.
And the light works.
And then there are the surprise visits from Wendy from time to time, when me and Galopin play the After Hours Club.
Told me that I make her feel alive.
This is what happens in Cape Verde.
We can take a trip, just you and I.
Speaking of Galopin,
There we are. Got full sails up. Gentle wind today. Got a good swell, but it's nice. Ah, beautiful. Some big tankers here in the bay. One's called Moran. Oh no! Morani. Man, Galopin's doing awesome. I don't know how many knots we got. Let me check. My guesstimate would be 10 knots max. And I think we're probably doing about 4 or 5 knots, yeah. Let's go check, okay? This is awesome, man. Full sails up. Woohoo! I love my baby Galopin, he's so cool. Looks like something is up with that boat in front of us. I think it's some kind of fishing trawler or something. I don't know, but I think he went out there to see what's going on. I don't know. Well, I don't know why Peter doesn't have his sails up. He's got a new carbon Kevlar sail. Ha. Man, this is beautiful. This is how the canal is nice and tame. It's got big swell, little tiny white caps. Remember a few weeks ago, not too long ago, how vicious this canal was, how mean it was, and look how sweet and nice it is today. Obrigada, Canada, Sao Vicente. I was wrong. It's not a fishing trawler. On the contrary, it says Flotte Océanographique Française. Oh, nice. Okay. Must be taking care of the oceans. Thank you, the French. This is the best of Cape Verde sailing.
No voy a negarte, no. La primera vez que tú me la hiciste, baby, quería matarme, yeah. Pero ahora no, El problema fue amarte, yeah. Sabiendo que no sientes nada.
Now here's some canal stuff. Like, it's pretty gentle out here, but there's some weird like stuff going on in the ocean, right on the water. Like there must be current or whatever. All these white caps. Check it out.
Ya no te aguanto, no. Esta mi despedida. Vete con el que te hundía. Suerte que ya no eres mía.
We just crossed through this little bit of turbulence. Now, I don't know what it is. again, it's this canal, and here now all of a sudden it's gone. This place is special, man. This place is special. Now look, it's all gone. It's all calm now.
When I looked back, I saw a pod of dolphins jumping out of the water, like in a frenzy. I assumed they were hunting.
Okay, now I'm gonna attempt a jibe. These conditions, it shouldn't be a big problem. I just furled up my Genoa so it passes around faster, and I'm gonna go for it now.
Lo siento, pasa paga por todo lo que has hecho y con intereses pa' que sientas lo que sientes.
Go! Genoa's passed over. That's mainsail. Here we go. All right. There we go. Let the mainsail out. Here you go.
Esta mi despedida, vete con el que tú un día, suerte que ya no eres mía.
All right. Let's let go. Let's open up the Genoa again.
Esta mi despedida, vete con el que tú un día, suerte que ya no eres mía. Yo ya no te aguanto, no voy a negarte, no. La primera vez que tú me la hiciste, baby, quería matarme.
What can I say? I think my face says it all.
Fue amarte, yeah, sabiendo que no sientes nada y no sabes querer, no sabes querer.
We were gonna stop at Praia Fantasia, but Peter said it's like windy there and there's waves and swell and all that, so he said, should we go to the other cova? I forget the name of it. Anyways, it's right by the lighthouse. It's super tranquilo there, calm. And plus I get to sail again, and it was great, man. I just came in, had furled up my Genoa, turned around, unfurled it, and here we go again, man. Galopin is flying. This is so cool. Love it. That's not working out. Too much swell. We're going to Sao Pedro now. So now we're going to Sao Pedro. It's not too windy. Next few days, so usually it's really windy there, but it's not too windy. But the swell here, man, it was crazy. Plus there were fishermen in a fish farm. In our little spot there, it was not cool.
We struck out with two of our favorite anchorages. But south of the island is Sao Pedro, a little fishing village which is quickly developing. It's time to invest in property here. These houses, well, they were not here before. I believe this is the only beachfront hotel in Sao Vicente. And right there is the airport, just a few minutes away.
Well, here we are in Sao Pedro. It's pretty cool here, man. Forget about going to the beach on with a dinghy, maybe to swim, but if the waves are like, woohoo!
There was a big swell, and Peter decided to move a bit further out. You really never know out here. The weather can change quickly.
Good morning. We are at Sao Pedro. In a way it's a nice anchorage, but in a way it's an anchorage that sucks. There's usually a lot of wind, but when we got here yesterday, it was really calm, and I made some pasta, bolognese, and we ate some food, had a few drinks, and then settled down. But wind and waves here are just
and intense. There's no way to go to shore. Check this out, man.
Video just does not do justice to the reality of the ocean's moods. The swell was really impressive. Big rolly waves would pass under Galopin and lift him as if he was about to surf. And the wind, it was blowing at over 20 knots. Yeah, it's time to go. It was great to have you along on this voyage. If you enjoyed your trip, give us a like and subscribe. You'll help us navigate better. Me and my boat Galopin promise you a good time every Wednesday. So welcome aboard.